Okay, we are back with some more exciting math. No, of course, some exciting math, right? Yeah, I'll pipe down. Okay. Anyway, order operations. It is exciting. It's fun. Here's the thing. PEMDAS rules. If we can get this PEMDAS over here again. Can I write PEMDAS over here? Yes. All right. Anyway, a little smaller. PEMDAS rules. All right, a little tougher one. I am going to let you try to work this one out right now. Go ahead and pause the video, try to work it out, and see what you get. And then I'll be back to work the problem out. All right, hopefully you pause the video, you got an answer. Let's work it out. First things first, parentheses. Now, here's the thing. Technically, there is no parentheses. I mean, well, technically there is, but they're really not in nothing to work out inside. Because remember, the parentheses, we work out stuff inside the parentheses. Well, there's nothing to work out inside this parentheses. That's just a 2 inside there. So there's really nothing to work out inside the parentheses. So we basically go check, parentheses done. Exponents. Let's go with exponents. All right, we don't have any down here. We have this 8 to the second power, aka 8 squared. So I know y'all love it, but let's go rewrite all this problem, which will be way easier for you with a pencil than it is for me writing on this screen. That's for sure. But rewrite everything except for let's solve 8 squared. 8 squared is 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. All right. Hopefully y'all did that first step on your own. If you didn't, you may not mess it up totally, but we'll see. All right, so check off the exponents. Multiplying and dividing. Remember, multiplying and dividing is the same step. Multiplying and dividing. Okay, here's where the people may have messed up. If you went ahead, and did this right here and said 5 times 2 give you 10, unfortunately you messed up. We don't multiply first. We multiply and divide in the same step, left to right. Well, I see a dividing right there. That's what we do first. Okay, so we have to divide. We have to divide. Oh, we have to divide 30 and 5. So 30 divided by 5 is going to give us 6. 6. The parentheses, aka the multiplying 2, is still there. Minus 2 plus 64. I know a lot of people probably went ahead and said, oh, let me go ahead and add this 2 and 64 and give me 66. Please, no. Don't do that. First of all, we haven't even finished with the multiplying and dividing yet. We still have a multiplying right there. 6 times 2. 6 times 2 gives us 12. Bring the minus sign. Bring the plus sign. All right. So now we are done with multiplying and dividing. We are adding and subtracting. What are we going to do? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract? Remember, add and subtracting is the same step. Don't add before you subtract necessarily. Just go left to right and then see. Well, if I go left to right, the first thing I'm going to have is messed up screen. All right, I don't know what I just did, but anyway, we're back basically where we were. I'm sorry. 12 minus 2 plus 64. So we go left to right. Don't do the adding first on this one because you're going left to right. You're gonna do 12 minus 2 first and get 10 plus 64. You say, if I did it the other way, would I get the same? No, because if you added the 2 and 64, you get 66. And then you have 12 minus 66, which would be a negative number, which I know y'all love, but we don't have that answer on this one. We have a positive answer. We got 10 plus 64 is 74. So remember, multiplying and dividing, same step, left to right. Adding and subtracting, same step, left to right.